Finding the perfect conditioner can feel overwhelming with so many options on the market. Whether you're battling dryness, seeking smoother strands, or striving for long-lasting hydration, choosing the right product is key. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 conditioners that cater to different hair needs, from drugstore favorites to premium picks. Stick around to discover the one that will leave your hair soft, shiny, and healthy. Let's dive into the details. Kicking off our list at number 1, Aussie Moist Conditioner. The Aussie Moist Conditioner is a budget-friendly favorite designed to deliver intense hydration and detangling power. With its lightweight formula and nourishing ingredients, it's perfect for those with dry or frizzy hair looking for an affordable yet effective solution. Key features: infused with Australian aloe vera and jojoba oil, this conditioner works to smooth and hydrate every strand. It's free from parabens and harsh chemicals, making it gentle enough for daily use while providing long-lasting moisture. Its iconic tropical scent adds a delightful touch to your hair care routine. Benefits and usage: this conditioner replenishes moisture, reduces frizz, and makes detangling a breeze. Apply generously to wet hair after shampooing, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing for silky, manageable hair that feels refreshed. Usability: Aussie Moist Conditioner is suitable for all hair types, including wavy, curly, and straight. Its creamy texture spreads easily through hair, ensuring even coverage and quick absorption. The flip-top bottle design is convenient for use in the shower, even when hands are wet. Durability: the large bottle size ensures weeks of use, even for those with long or thick hair. Its highly concentrated formula means you don't need a lot for each application, making it cost-effective and a staple for many households. In the second spot, we have Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal. The Pantene Pro-V Daily Moisture Renewal Conditioner is a drugstore hero for delivering hydration and softness. Known for its Pro-V formula, this conditioner is ideal for anyone dealing with dryness or dullness. It's a versatile choice that combines affordability with performance. Key features: this conditioner features Pantene's proprietary Pro-V nutrient blend, which helps lock in moisture and protect against damage. Its formula strengthens hair against breakage and ensures lasting hydration. The product is also free from dyes and parabens, making it a safe choice for daily use. Benefits and usage: the conditioner restores moisture, smooths rough strands, and boosts shine. Apply a generous amount to clean, wet hair, focusing on the ends, and let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Regular use leaves hair noticeably softer and more manageable. Usability: lightweight yet creamy, the formula spreads evenly and rinses out easily without leaving residue. It's suitable for all hair types, including color-treated and chemically processed hair. The subtle, clean scent adds a refreshing touch to your shower routine. Durability: the large bottle ensures multiple uses, even for those with thick or long hair. Its affordability and availability make it an excellent choice for families or those seeking consistent hydration without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Redken All Soft Conditioner. The Redken All Soft Conditioner is a salon-quality product designed to deeply nourish and soften dry or brittle hair. With its luxurious formula and premium ingredients, it's a top pick for those seeking professional results at home. Key features: enriched with Redken's Moisture Complex and argan oil, this conditioner targets dryness and restores softness and shine. It's formulated to improve hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage. This conditioner is sulfate-free and safe for color-treated hair, ensuring gentle yet effective care. Benefits and usage: Redken All Soft Conditioner provides intense hydration and nourishment, leaving hair smooth and silky. To use, apply to damp hair after shampooing, focusing on the ends, and leave on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. It's perfect for weekly treatments or regular use for dry hair. Usability: the rich, creamy texture coats every strand without weighing hair down. It's easy to apply and detangle hair during the conditioning process. The subtle, salon-quality scent makes it an indulgent part of any hair care routine. Durability, the product is highly concentrated, so a little goes a long way. While it's priced higher than drugstore alternatives, its effectiveness and lasting power make it worth the investment for those looking for premium results. Taking our fourth spot is SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. The SheaMoisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner is a deeply nourishing treatment designed for damaged, brittle, or chemically processed hair. Known for its natural ingredients, this product is a favorite among those seeking hair repair and strength. Key features: this conditioner features Jamaican black castor oil, shea butter, and peppermint oil, which work together to nourish and strengthen hair. It's free from sulfates, parabens, and phthalates, ensuring a natural and safe formula for frequent use. Benefits and usage: this conditioner restores moisture, strengthens hair, and improves manageability. Apply generously to clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. It's especially effective for curly or coily hair types that require extra hydration. Usability: its thick, creamy texture ensures even application, while the fresh, minty scent invigorates your senses during use. The formula is ideal for dry, damaged, or transitioning hair, helping to restore strength and elasticity over time. Durability: the large jar size provides multiple uses, even for those with long or thick hair. Its natural, nutrient-rich formula ensures consistent results, making it a reliable option for long-term hair health and repair. And finally, at number 5, we have Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Conditioner. The Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Conditioner is a high-performance product that promises smooth, shiny, and healthy hair with regular use. With its innovative formula, it's designed to keep your hair cleaner for longer, reducing the need for frequent washing. Key features: this conditioner features Living Proof's patented healthy hair molecule, OFPMA, which repels dirt and oil while smoothing hair. It's free from silicones, parabens, and phthalates, making it suitable for all hair types, including color-treated hair. Benefits and usage: this conditioner smooths and hydrates without weighing hair down, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. Apply a small amount to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and rinse thoroughly. Regular use helps maintain hair health and reduces frizz. Usability: the lightweight formula is easy to spread through hair and rinses out effortlessly. It doesn't leave any greasy residue, making it ideal for fine or oily hair types. Its fresh, subtle fragrance enhances your hair care experience. Durability: the bottle's design allows for precise dispensing, ensuring no product is wasted. While it's a premium option, its effectiveness and ability to extend time between washes make it a cost-efficient choice in the long run. The right conditioner can transform your hair, addressing everything from dryness to damage and making your strands smoother, softer, and more manageable. From budget-friendly options like Aussie Moist and Pantene Pro V to salon-quality picks like Redken and Living Proof, there's something for every hair type and budget on this list. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. Let us know in the comments which conditioner you're excited to try.